How to manage category name position settings on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser and then once you're here click design, and here we'll find change the look of your store. Now just click this one. Wait, scroll down and here we'll find category name position. That's it. Now just select anything you want here, and that's it. It will be saved. You don't have to click save or something like that, just go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.